It's day 4 of the 30-day challenge, the 30-day Shiba challenge, where we buy Shiba every single day, 30 straight days. Let's get in this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Shiba's up today, up 14%, but we're still going to buy our Shiba today. So we're going to go over to Coinbase.com. We see the price going up, but we're committed to buy Shiba every day. Now today we're going to buy $50 worth of Shiba today, and we got $50 there, and it's going to be $15.83. It's going to be the amount of Shiba that we're going to get. So we're going to go ahead and buy this now, and then we're going to insert this right in the spreadsheet that you see it right now. So let me go ahead and click on view transactions, and once I do this, you'll see all the buyings that we've done the last few days. You see the 11th, the 10th, 9th, and 8th. So we've been doing this ever since the 8th. So we'll go ahead and take this right here, we'll copy it, and we'll go right to the captain spreadsheet. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it right in, where would we go? The amount of Shiba, we'll go ahead and paste it right there. And then the amount of fees that we did was, the fees, the $1.99 is the fees. Just $1.99. Not bad at all, not bad at all. And then amount we've paid was $48.01. So we'll go ahead and put that in there, $40.01. And then Shiba, in terms of the price of Shiba, is this right here. So it's up a little bit today, but we're still focused. We're still focused to the common goal, 30 straight days. Are you with me? Are you with me? I know. So let me go ahead and put this in here, paste that like so. And then what I'm gonna do is go ahead and format this. I'm gonna go and format this right here. Format. I love using this format in Excel. You go ahead and format what you want from previous other cells. I may do Excel training here one day if you would like to know more about Excel. And then right now, it will automatically be calculated at the bottom here. And it looks like we have 6.5 million Shiba since October 8th. This is day number 4. It's in the books. Day number 4. We got Shiba. You see it right here just a few seconds ago. And then we just tweeted it out that we just bought Shiba. Day 4 of 30. Shiba buying challenge is complete. Who is with me? We just did this, so people will go ahead and start liking this tweet. And remember, we're gonna do this every single day with this challenge. If you want to join the challenge, you can go ahead and submit your information as well. We're just doing this, really, why? Why not? Because we want to build our Shiba each and every single day. So the next challenge we'll probably do is 𝐭 and 𝐿. So we'll probably do those as well, and I'll show you exactly how I'm doing it each and every single day. And as I look at the price of Shiba, it's going up. So the whole point of this is growing our bag, and this is long term. We're going to take all this here and we're going to put it in our Shiba swap. We're going to move it to our Coinbase wallet, and then we're going to stake it. Now, some of this we may go ahead and give it away and help somebody out or help a few members out, but we're planning to go ahead and stake it in our Shiba swap wallet. That is the plan of this actually deal. So my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next update. It will be day number 5 tomorrow. I can't wait to see you again. Don't forget, click on the link below. If you don't have a Coinbase account or an eToro or even a Webull account, you can find those right in the description box, or join my Discord group, as we'll continue these conversations. I'll see you on the next video.